What is it picking up? What is it picking up? No, I don't want the vertical, like, oh my god. This is what I get for, like, not streaming in forever. Let me put on noise suppression, see if that works. Okay, that does. There we go, I fixed it. I also need to calibrate. I really did a very good job at this. Okay, that should be good. Yeah, there we go. It's been a while since I've done this. It's been like... I actually have no idea how long has... Actually, I'm not even gonna check. Regardless. We're here. What have I got? Discord? Oh, wait, it didn't go through. Oh, wait, my thing isn't going through. Oh, why is my message not sending? Oh, that's... Okay, well, that went through. That's weird. Anyway. So it's been a while since, I've streamed. So what I'm going to be... Actually, I'm just realized I'm also in a Discord VC. Hold on, let me mute that first. Right, I need to put... I'm gonna put that on my bottom screen, so there's less screen for Twitch, but it means that it's scaled better. Anyway. So, with, stream, I've not done it in a long time, and honestly I do apologize for that. I've just been procrastinating so hard. I'm like, oh, I'm gonna stream today, and I just never did. I was supposed to stream yesterday, but I did a Naruto VR chat instead, and I spent like 4 hours in it. So that happened. But yeah, I am here now. Well, I say that, but I need water, because that goddamn hydrate redeem. Hold up. Now, where you can hear me better now. There we go. I have water because I know the fact that you're all going to bully me with the hydrate redeem, and I'm going to do it to myself by drinking it all, and then oh, huh. Me do go live, post, tweet, thingy. Oh, it didn't embed. Oh my! As you can see, I've not done this in like forever. Okay, now it's done it. Well, it's just being weird. But yeah, so I haven't streamed in a very long time, and yeah, that's a problem. However, we're here now. So yeah, I'm going to be working on VWisher because that game, I said it was like early this year. Hi Sweden. It's like early this year that I said that I was going to, I had the idea and I was like, oh hey, wouldn't it be cool if there was a VTuber gacha game? And then some people were like, oh yeah, that would be cool. So I was like, oh, I'll arrange that, and I started work on it. The dumb thing is, the fact that it's now been like 8 months, and I still haven't gotten the game done. So now I need to go into studio mode so I know that this is correct. So it's not capturing stuff it's not supposed to. Okay, good, it's not. Okay. There we go. Oh, new update. Yay, thank you. You can do it. I hope I can. Now I want to put this at a point that makes sense for you, but it's going to be a pain for me to navigate, bud. No. Back, thank you. And as the pinned message also says, I have popcorn. Wait, you can't hear. I think it's noise suppression. I just realized also the song was muted. I have popcorn. You can probably kind of hear it. I don't know. I've got popcorn, and I'm going to eat that. So if I'm not talking, it's probably because I'm eating popcorn. Yay! I also want to get replay buffer online. Do not point a gun at me, thanks. No, I need to figure out. Wait a minute. Oh, that's my music. Oh, I need to seal my scripts, but I can't because the thing's in the way. Brah! Okay, we can close that script. Close that script. Close that script, and is the net client open? The net client is in fact not open. So there is no... Actually, I'll put this down by chat. Like, underneath the chat, I'll do that. Hand over the popcorn. No, it's my popcorn. It's my popcorn. Mine for... Mine. There we go. It's my speaker. I was like getting picked up. I don't want this scene. Thanks, Lenny. With your thing that makes people not happy. Your weird message. Test Explorer it's called, I think. Yeah, it is. Okay, so it's white. It's a white square. Why is it a white square? Why are you like that? Okay, I get... Well, okay. Thanks, thingy. Oh, I love how... I love how Sin's just the enemy right now. So, if we get, like... Where am I? I'm down here. I have no idea what I've done and what I've not done. Oh, there we go. What is this? Oh. V2... Oh, I know. That's basically the... Because I can't be bothered to make prefabs right now because it'll be a pain to have to deal with changing parents and all that. So it's just an object on its own that doesn't like it doesn't do anything right now. And it'll probably because like how you got the enemy that is over there that doesn't do anything because it needs to be invoked. It's just a lazy method on my behalf. No, I'm being totally honest, because I'm very lazy. I'm very lazy. I mean, it makes sense, but yeah. Hold up, because I got a Trello board. Those in VWisher know that I've got a Trello board. Oh, and it's very zoomed in. Zoom out so I can actually read this. Stop being lazy. No. I'll be lazy. Lazy is my middle name. It's not actually. Or is it? Update VTuber stats. What do I mean update VTuber stats? Tutorial, dialogue... Wait, oh no. Those are to do critical. Doing critical, finish exploration. Allow VTubers to attack. Okay, so that's the thing that I need to do. My phone's preview of my tracking, it looks like I got really bad posture. But no, it's just because it's leaning upwards. It looks really bad on my part. There's a hamster in the Discord. Yeah, there's a Discord. Join the Discord if you haven't. This is not a threat. This is not a threat. Join right now. Oh. Yeah. My model preview also being the way it's crazy. Sounds like a threat. What do you mean? It's never a threat. No, it's not a threat. Why would I do that? Why would I do that? Oh hey, the Pedo Deluxe. Oh, well, we got more soundtrack. Okay, this is the VT. That's the hitbox. Wait, is that actually the hitbox? That's tiny. Because then that's going to go here. The thing is, a cheeky little method that I'm doing for VTubers is like the actual thing that you'd have the platforms that you can place them on, and then on top of that then is a cube. Its actual mesh render would be, if I can select it, it'll actually be like that, where it's completely invisible, you can't see it, just has a hitbox. The only reason I've got a mesh render is so I can see where it actually is, because I don't have those platforms right now and I'm not making one. I should assign a material because it's Unity won't be happy. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, I'm just gonna do one of the font materials because I don't care. But yeah, you got that. I mean, you're welcome. I gotta be careful with this popcorn. If I eat too much of it, it's going to get all over my fingers, the flavoring, and that's not going to be good on my keyboard. So we're going to do that and investigate this script. We're going to figure out. I have a headache. That's not good. That. Have some water. I used the hydrate redeem on chat. Chat, you need to hydrate now. I woke up with it. That's not good. Thanks, tracking. Every time I reach out for popcorn, tracking just absolutely destroys itself. I mean, yeah, I cover up my face. It's just like... Okay. New material, source material. Yes, this creates a new material. VTuber material, VTuber texture. Oh, wait, so if I change this to, like... Oh, that's my reference sheet. Why is my reference sheet in the game? Let me see, where am I? Oh, this is Play-Chan. Yeah. That is her name. I still need... If you have suggestions for her name, go ahead. She needs a proper name. Okay, so that... Oh. Unity, that's not... Trying to... I don't want to go there. I don't want to go into space. I don't want to go to the moon or sun, thanks. Okay. And it's like double click. There we go. Try failed. Oh, because it logs an error. Just don't log anything, I guess. Just log a warning, actually. Why is this an error? We don't... That doesn't matter. Okay, good. I was so scared that Alt-tabbing's going to display all the windows I have open. Luckily, it doesn't. Blair coding. I am coding hacker guy there. Hi, Faye. I'm eating too much popcorn too quickly. You've made it into the mainframe. I have. I am the best hacker that's graced this land 100%. No, that's the cursor follow. Explore VTuber point data. Oh. That's a very nice script. Where's the script? Oh, there it is. So we've got the texture set, so that's good. Texture set, display position, transform. I ate the script. No, the script. Oh, the poor script. How dare you? It's not the dog ate my homework, it's the Sweden ate my scripts. Okay. Actually, what? I haven't done Unity and coded in this for a while. So I'm very rough. You can clearly see me pressing the space bar, thinking the function names in C# can have spaces in them. No, because you do that and it's like, no, I don't want to do that. I don't like it. Anyway, I'm thinking there's something I had with like, oh, my brain, my brain is not braining right now. I'm thinking about having it so that, like, VTubers don't target, like, new enemies that come in, but and they don't target unless their previous target's gone. So, like, queues up, meaning that if an enemy walks in, and then it's near to being killed, but then a new enemy walks into the VTuber's radius, it means that, like, the VTuber keeps targeting the old enemy, so it then goes out and then goes to the new one, if that makes any sense. So, holy, the base on this is crazy. I made this before I had, like, my really good speaker slash radio, as my main speaker. I did not realize this song had so much bass. Make this a public list. I can't. Explore enemy manager. And then we're going to do that, and then every time it enters, then add it onto the... wait, no. We could just get rid of this and just check the front of the list. We don't need to have, like, a dedicated variable. Is that going to mess things up? Oh, it does mess things up. Enemy target. Okay. Queued enemies. .play. Just, yeah. Is that it? Oh, that is it. Oh, nice. This is actually good code for once. Oh, there's one. I found a popcorn thing. It's not a kernel, but it's like the actual popcorn itself when it's popped. There's got so much topping on it. Actually, there's quite a few. There's another one. And they all have it in like one space for me just not spreading it properly. This stream is just going to be me spontaneously bursting into talking about popcorn. You think it's good code for now? Yeah, it is for now. I mean, look at, oh, there's one thing that I have that has some of the worst code in it that I don't even know what it's doing. I think it's .fib. And you look at its code, and it's just like, why have I done that? And honestly, I have no idea. There's a lot of things. VWisher, I think, is one of them where it doesn't have the best of code. I mean, it works. It works, I guess. I'm pretty sure the compiler optimizes it a little anyway. I don't know. I know when building like .NET applications in Visual Studio, it optimizes. I don't know if Unity does. It might not. Oh, thank you, bitrate, for replenishing a little bit. Am I glad I don't watch my own stream? Am I right? And then do other.game object. No. Get component. Explore enemy manager. We need 2 brackets at the end because it's a function. Okay, that's good. And then we're going to go and get the... Oh, why have you done that? Oh, I have loop disabled. Oh, that's very annoying. Oh, and now it's re-put its place. Ah! I really don't know what I'm doing. I spelled point wrong. You can't see it, but I spelled point really wrong. I can't spell. Ah! Anyway. I'm going to go index op. Yeah. Thanks, IntelliSense. This is one of the amazing things about when you're programming in Visual Studio or Visual Studio Code. Though I haven't managed to properly get it working in code. That's why I mainly use main Visual Studio. And the fact that it can actually fill in everything for you. That was a little off. It can basically fill in everything for you. Frick. I can't speak. Like, The amazing thing of Visual Studio and Visual Studio Code is the fact that it's got IntelliSense, which basically means that it then can, like, I don't think it's AI, but it looks at your code, picks up like patterns and stuff like that, and then from that, it can then suggest what you will be doing next, so you can quickly get it done. So here, it actually knew that this is what I was going to code, so it then suggested that to me, which just makes it so much faster. So if you're like mass replacing things, but then it's like variable based off, like you're replacing the very beginning of code and then the very end of the code, it actually, like, if you replace both of those, IntelliSense can actually pick that up and realize that that's what you're trying to do, and it's honestly really cool. IntelliSense is like a godsend in programming. It just speeds things up like by times 10. Now I got my popcorn. And then we can do queue enemies, remove at point. I know I can just put this in here, but in case this fails, I can track it to this line of code instead of it just being in one line, and I'll have no idea if this has failed or if this has failed, or like this doesn't exist on it, or this is null, or whatever. I can basically pinpoint it. This is like one of the few good things about my code. So that should be it. I have no idea if my alt tab is going to go to where it's going to go. There we go, VWisher. It should, yeah, okay, there we go. You shouldn't see alt tab. So what we're going to do is get our VTuber. Currently the texture is sin. I have no idea why. I think it's because the previous system the game was going to use had it where you'd select 3 VTubers and then basically move them around. Then I ditched that just because it didn't feel right, and you'd favorite VTubers, so you now have to use all of them. And I think the last option for the what's called Agent 1 material that I had selected was Sin, and I just haven't changed it because I can't be bothered. So we're going to set this to like 4 maybe? Is this height good? Yeah, that's good. And then we're going to do this. Select me. So I don't call. Yeah. Wait for oh, they're coming down this way. Okay, so what I might need to do, I don't know if this is going to break. I think it should work. So we're going to take this enemy, place them over here. Oh, that's really weird. Oh, if it goes, if I pull it through walls, the agent just does not like that. And then it will snap once it's passed. That is very weird. So I should see. Yeah, moving now that way, okay. So that's now working. I should see. Where are you? I don't mean I don't like going through walls. What do you mean? What's wrong with going through walls? Walls is life. Okay. It's not public. Is it not public? It is public. There is. Wait, where's the script? Oh, there it is. Found it. Crisis averted. Wait, what? Why is it 3? No, you're supposed to be 0. Why are you going up there? Fine, if you don't want to be like that, I'll put you over here then. So... there it is. Okay... that's not right. And it fails. Because it doesn't check. It doesn't check, that's why. It's gonna be a lot of this. I'm like, why is this not working? And then I find out that it's just because I didn't check. Huh. Okay. So, enemies that. What's the one that's got the actual manager? Okay. There is no tag. There's no tag! VTuber location. What I'm going to do is tag this. And I'm going to tag it Explore Manager. Or Explore Enemy, I mean. God damn it. And then we're going to go through this other dot game object dot tag. I don't use compare tag. I should. I really should. But I never do. Because I'm built different. So we don't want to check them there. That syntax nicely. Get there before Unity locks me out for a little bit. Yeah, thanks, I know it's reciprocated. Where are they? Oh, it's spawning here, okay. It's all sin. Always has been. Bap, 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 bap. Okay. They're going to... Oh, okay. Because it doesn't have a hitbox. The main thing doesn't have a hitbox. Why did I not pick that up? The hitbox is here. It needs a rigid body as well because it won't get picked up. So, yay. Yeah, you can peek around the corner while I just scream and shout because of, yeah. It's like... He's under the corner. Whoa. I have no idea what to get. Okay, good. It's like... The beauty of being a programmer is just doing really stupid stuff and then realizing, oh wait, why did I do that stupid stuff, and then fixing it. That's the beauty of programming, not gonna lie. New update now. Ah! I need to stop doing that. I'm not gonna use that right now because I still don't have a playlist where it's got like definitively. I mean, I know I can play no copyright sounds. I may as well because they do have a really good music library. I should do that. I'm not gonna lie. But popcorn. You are copyright sound or free sounds. Yeah, I know. I'm just using my own because they're copyrighted, but I can get away with it because it's my own songs. So, joke's on you. May as well do like a capsule collider. That is not right. Why are you offset? Oh. It's just massively offsetted. And there's the actual display, which is, for whatever reason, really offset. Like, getting a lot of notifications, hell yeah. So we can go to this. Yeah, it's got the nav mesh agent which needs it, so I can't get rid of that. And then you can, I think, see our... Yeah, you can see the circle there, so we need to up its height to about 2. And up the... no... I mean, if we up that to 2, go to 2.5, I can't see what the value is. Oh, no, neither can you. None of us can see what the value is. I really have no idea what it is, but... Okay, that's good enough. Okay, now that's good. There we go, now let's test. I'm literally speaking facts of wisdom right now. Them pathfinding really weirdly. Wait, what was the hip one? You're not saying that okay. So I'm not saying anything. Okay, thank you. I'm going to quickly run an ad while I go out and Damn, I really should be eating popcorn mid-sentence while I get stuff. I hopefully will be back by then. If I'm not, that'll be really funny. Right, what did I miss, chat? I have got... I'm so worn out from running. Like, I have gotten a snack I'm going to eat, like, right now. You're gonna have to watch me. You have to watch me. Yeah. I'm sorry, what? I'm a snack? Ah! That's crazy. We'll do this as a capsule. Realizing with Pokes May, why? Realizing with the enemy, they had gravity on the rigid body. We don't want that, especially on like the VTubers, and they just start tumbling down. It'll be so funny, honestly. You just place it, and then it's like a very, very small place for the VTuber to sit on. It's just they start tumbling down. It's like, well, that was useless. I forgot that I still use numpad 0 for taking clips. Like when I want to clip like stream highlights and stuff, I press numpad 0. It's been like that since like I started streaming, and I completely forgot that I did that. That just goes to show that I'm really good at this stuff. I am the best. So we have a capsule, and what I want to do is increase the... Actually, no, wait, is there a circle? Circle collider? Okay, there's a circle collider 2D, but there's no circle collider full stop, so I presume that's just the capsule collider. So we're just going to up the radius, because actually if the height is like smaller, something like that, then the radius it just becomes a circle, which kind of makes sense why there's no circle collider. Just use a capsule collider. Is it confusing? Hell yeah. But I mean, it works. So if it ain't broken, don't fix it. That's what I say, and that's like what most people probably can say. What did I say? I forgot to set them as triggers. It's just rolling. When is it gonna fall? Oh, it just doesn't fall. Where's the display? Oh, the display didn't move. I forgot to set them as triggers. Ow. Now, are you staying in place? You are in fact staying in place. So, I just stopped it. Every time I hear Discord do that, I have to mimic. Let's do Kota. Okay, so we got the intro animation. Never? Okay, thank you. Oh, they're going through that way. Unstays in place. Okay. Can I access my angry or annoyed emote? I can. Hell yeah. I just... I've been starting my own song. Wow. Wow. Well done, Unity, you reset my capsule collider. How dare you? There's like 4 or something like that. I have no idea. Let's go again. Huh? Wait. No. It's very wrong. Words cannot express how annoyed I am right now. I'm gonna have a field day editing this, I'm not gonna lie. But I say that as I'm rustling through popcorn. Oh yeah, you can hear it. No. There we go. Yeah, explore enemy. You're just vibing there. I did it again. Oh no, wait, no, never mind, this is trigger. Huh? Just explore enemy. Let's explore enemy. They go in and the enemies don't trigger it. I'm debating if I should sleep a few more hours or not. Probably. Being totally honest, you probably should. Like... Log... No. Just, log that. It's 4 PM. Oh, that is crazy. Oh. Nice. That's what I like to see. Go, Kota! So it does trigger. I did it again! There we go. Also going in for more popcorn. That's why I never use Alt Tab. Boop. 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 Oh, hey, we got oh, 2 breaks. Okay. The thing is, in VWisher, it doesn't always give you, Oh. It doesn't always give you enemies on a wave. Sometimes it is a break, so you get a few seconds where you can prep up. So here it would be 5 seconds and then 6 seconds. Because yes, unfortunately this is a tower defense. I'm really sorry. I say I'm sorry, I'm not. I forgot that Unity is doing that. Okay, we're going to go like top down, so we can see as the enter. For some reason that's gone in. Untagged, untagged, untagged. Something's going wrong. They're just not triggering. This, you're clearly in. Where is the hitbox? Oh wait, huh? Oh my god. This is where my code breaks down and just shrills up. I need to play so much Blooms. Honest thing, I've never played it. I'm being totally honest, I have never done it. Being totally honest. Yeah. So, if we get to our enemies... This is what's actually got the manager. What I don't get is, like, why is the display not a child of this? Like, why? Because every frame it resets its position, so it's like, why? Oh no, because it needs to apply like rotation and stuff. Is that why? Time to make you play Bloom's Tower Defense. Okay. Won't happen, but okay. And probes. I never have actually dealt with any of that. So. More popcorn. Hom. This is the thing that's tagged, it doesn't move. But that is what does move. And this is our display, so I might add it onto here. I'm getting a bottle of water. I get out voice mod. Try, yeah. I think I've got a good one. New audio detected, don't switch. Soundboard. Come on, where is it? Soundboards. No results found. I'm going to mute my desktop audio briefly so I can make sure this is the right one. Okay, it is. I'm getting myself a... How embarrassing would that be if that didn't go through? And you didn't hear that? That would be so embarrassing! My water bottle being my water bottle. I never knew nav meshes could jump. You're being very helpful right now. Despite that, thank you. Copy component. Paste as new. Keeps all the values. Copy component. Where is it? Which one is it? Ah. And paste as new. You get it by now. That's not copy component. Copy component. Paste as new. Yay! Remove. Move. Remove. Popcorn dip. I have a tiny bit of water left for the hydrate redeem. So, wahaha. Okay. That's very broken. 0 to infinite. What? The max value is infinity. Value cannot be infinity. Okay. Good. Oh no. Ah, that. Ah. That hurts. I just wasted like 5 minutes of my time doing that. That's nice. So I think what it will be is this will be maybe our collider, and then it will get the parent, and then it can get the parent game object and then do it from that, because objects can only ever have one parent. So yeah. Right, you know the drill. Copy component. Up. Place component as no. Copy component. Place component as new, and then we remove it all. Bye bye. Bye bye. I love how my trekking does actually pick me up when I eat, and my mouth just opens slightly. Like I take popcorn, like a single piece, and you can actually see as I eat. It's pretty fun. Oh yeah, by the way, I am aware by the fact that I don't comment my code. You can judge me all you like. I don't comment my code and I have no intention of changing it. So that will get the parent. I'm gonna get the popcorn. Kota, but full of words. Or full of letters, actually. That was very wrong English. So this did actually go through, but the gizmo is not rendering for it. Why? Well, I'm hoping it's there. I'm gonna scream if it isn't. I'm gonna scream and shout and let it out and say I can't say that. I can't really say that in a way. Ish. I don't know. You're welcome. I speak wise words. I really wish my model had like a peeking out cheeks thing, because that's literally what I'm doing right now. So there, here they are. Just one with the distance. And then get code. Oh no, the mains. This. Ah! Oh my god. Wait, what? Okay, something's not right. Something has gone wrong. Fine. I'll fix this. It's in! The try-catch. Fine, we'll do this. What does this return back to 3? Boom, are you happy now? You happy now? Okay, good. They're going to spawn from here. And absolutely do nothing. What did I do? I don't know if that... Wait, does that go through? Oh, it does. Yeah. I don't have, like, anything really special with that. Well, you gotta pick my background. Well, a blurred version of it, but still. There it is, that's why. I don't like I like enhanced if I'm being totally honest, enhanced cursor precision is like, it's good because it means that I can move my mouse cursor quite far by only moving it a little bit, just really quick. It's just sometimes it likes to shoot my mouse in one direction. It's really annoying. Now that was definitely a reference to that one band. You know what I'm talking about. Okay. It should work. Let's do char next. Wait. Well, that I need a recreate for. Oh, no, go back. And if I go down here, around, it's just a few pixels. Oh my god. Okay. Here's our hitbox for the enemy. I don't know why it's so big. There's char, who for some reason triggered. Yeah. Hell yeah. It is now working. I'm dropping popcorn everywhere. That's amazing. I'm going to update the name of the stream to with popcorn and add that to the end because It's with popcorn, so... I just realised, why can't I put this down at the very bottom so it's out everyone's way? I need to make sure that it's triggering. Shut up. Triggering. It's not like a one-hit wonder. Other games paused. Do that. Why? Why is life being so complicated today? For some reason this has been lost in translation. Where this is supposed to actually be, which is really annoying. Okay. So that's good. Eat time. How many minutes of this stream is just me eating popcorn? Like, seriously. I need to add, like, on the displays a progress bar so you can actually see how much damage has been taken. So then the VTubers will then actually look at the data block that actually stores all of the data for the VTubers, so I don't have to, like, upgrade a bunch of different scripts. It's just one prefab I need to upgrade. And basically then what I can do is then get it so the script will then get that, play a like little animation with an actual Unity animation. I'm not doing it through a script because that will be way too much work, and also I need to get used to Unity's animator thing. So yeah, so I can do that, and yeah, and then it'll take damage and then deal with the cooldown and everything, and then once an enemy is destroyed, then it just runs like particle system or something like that. Honestly, I don't really know. Popcorn getting everywhere. So this is the thing. So what I want to do is go. I guess the. Oh no. Right, let's Google. Never mind, I've realized how. What we can do is a very cheap trick. We're talking with a wibble we use now. That's really crazy. Okay, I'm gonna stop. What we can do is create a canvas. Where is the thing? There. And we can create a canvas. Now, normally canvases go off of this screen and overlay on top of the camera. What I can do is a very cheap trick, because this is a normal thing for like VR and stuff like that. I do world space. So what I can do is then go 0, 0, 0. So let's go to like 0.1, 0.1, 0.1. Why is that so big? It's a big canvas. Oh, hi sound inputs. Yeah. And we can move the canvas up and across to like the tip. And then rotate the canvas like the same amount. The display is rotated by, so that's 25 degrees on the x-axis. So 25. That's not correct. 60. We'll do 60. If I can type. So we have our canvas. We can do about that. Make that child of the display, since it is technically a display. So then what we can do is add then a slider, because this is what I always use. I don't know why. And then set the thingy. Oh wait, is the canvas offset? It is offset. I would say I apologize, but honestly I really don't. It's funny. So what I'm going to do is then make this slider much bigger. And put it into the center of our canvas. And then go through and basically hide different elements and stuff that we don't need. Oh god. Good enough for now. I honestly don't really want it like perfect right now. Fill. Make it red for now. run this and basically see what it does. Beep. Boop. 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 See? It works! Let's go! Yes! This game. So now we need the attacking part. This is like, I would say it's the hard part, it's not really. So yeah, so what we're going to do is when attacking, do that. I'll probably more do that and that, so it looks like the feet. It's moving at the feet. So what I'm going to do, animation, and then do I have my filter on? No suppression, I do. Wait, I don't have my gain on. No wonder it's picking up stuff. Hold on, let me configure this. Okay. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I might sound a little bit worse, but it's going. Yeah, there we go. Yeah. See, I'm not good at streaming. More popcorn. Okay. Don't know why I'm importing a new asset. Animation. Just create this so we can get the animation window open. This. Create an animation. And then we can actually do this. I'm hoping this is the local position, and then we want local rotation. I'm going to do is orientate this so we got a particle around like the anchor point, I guess. And then we're going to go, how long is that? Okay, that's not bad. So we're going to go 30 chord. And then stop recording. It's too fast. Slow. I mean, it's something. That's better, that's better. It's not the best, but it will do. Beep, beep, beep. Visual Studio, hello. So wait, this needs to link to the data, because it's told what it should look like, but it doesn't know anything else. So public, it's like, I can't remember what it's called. Oh, what's the script called? Items. Yeah, right, it's called items for some reason. The script's class is called it's called items. I don't know why. It's called items for some reason. But we need to get that. Items, I'm pretty sure, is not a thing that's not do not destroy though. As I'm aware. So and then we can do this. So if my ID is not equal to 0, then load it from data. So what we need to do is get like, okay, I need to boot up the Excel spreadsheet. So I can, okay, that's VWisher. It's like data. So we've got this, and then it's like, should be updated, yeah. It is not updated. Of course it's not. Of course it's not. It's outdated. It's got health damage, sub damage, and special damage, which is not right. We don't want that. So what I need to do is check the item script and what it's got. Yes, I know it's really poorly done. So we have that. Character info changes. So yeah, so what we want right now is initial damage, or really it's damage and speed, so that we can basically know how often to do it. Now I'm going to look at the data and what it has in here. So it's like initial speed. Oh. Limit speed 15. Oh. So I was thinking like, oh, make speed where it's seconds. How often in seconds? Or milliseconds, something like that. But I guess not. Does not want that. Oh. So if it's not that, we need to get the speed, which is not that difficult. I think it's an integer, it does it as. And then we want to do speed equals data dot character. Oh, is it like get? Oh, okay, yeah. Get speed. This takes in, yeah. So my ID. Okay, wait, what? Oh, no, yeah. No, I've seen why. Basically, frick, I can't. Streaming has broken my brain. Basically, it returns a list. It should be an array. Where the first one's like the actual value. The second one, if it's like minimum and maximum, we'll then have it for that. And then otherwise, yeah. So we want to get that as the speed. And then damage equals data dot get damage. Honestly, because my brain is just absolutely destroying itself, I'm going to end stream because, like, yeah. Nope. And I'm probably going to raid. We're going to raid. Yeah. Right, we're going to raid. Because, well, yeah. You can't actually hear it because of, thingy. Because I got my muted desktop audio because Twitch. But yeah. We're gonna raid.